everyone, my name is Arthur. Today I'll talk about storms. Storms are very strong and powerful. They can be loud, windy, and rainy. Sometimes storms can be scary, but I think storms are also very interesting. One type of storm is a thunderstorm. The thunderstorm has rain, thunder, and lightning. The lightning is very loud, the lightning is very bright. Sometimes it happens at night. I feel a little scared when I hear thunder, but I also think it's exciting to watch. Another type of storm is a typhoon. The typhoon has very strong wind and heavy rain. The wind can blow very hard. Trees can move and things can fall down. Sometimes go cross during the typhoon. People stay at home to be safe. Storms can happen in many places. Some storms happen in summer, some storms happen when the weather changes. During the storm, the sky becomes dark. The wind starts to blow and the rain begins to fall. I have seen a thunderstorm before. I was at home with my family. I heard loud thunder outside. I saw bright lightning in the sky. I feel a little scared, but I was safe inside. My family stayed together and we wait for the storm till the end. Storms are very powerful and amazing. They can be dangerous, so we must be careful. We should stay inside and stay safe. I think storms are interesting to learn about. Thank you for listening.